In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and remove elements on your product page. With the JupyterX Shop Customizer, you have an easy way to customize your shop without having to edit any code. The product list section provides you with numerous settings that you can customize, including displaying only certain elements that you can also edit the style for, such as the product's name, category, price, and many others. In order to do that, let's go to the JupyterX Shop Customizer. From the WordPress left menu, go to JupyterX, Customize. Once inside the Customizer, click on Shop, Product List. Inside the Settings tab, click in the box next to each element that you want to add or remove. The blue boxes will be displayed. Now all that's left is to publish to make it live. On a side note, you can also follow the same instructions to control the elements that display on your single product page by closing this window and choosing Product Page. If there are additional elements that you would like to hide or edit, you can always use CSS code for ultimate control. For more information on how to do that, take a look at our other videos and articles for detailed instructions. Thanks for watching. Cheers!